What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be taking the bed off the hard body and we're going to be doing a fuel send-in unit today. So stay in touch, stay in tune. We're going to go ahead and knock this out.
Damn. Where we going with it? I'm stuck on something. Look. It's your gas tank. It's the orange hose to the gas tank. I'm getting leaked on. I'm getting leaked on. Ow, that's a fucking trailer. Alright, just... Damn.
Over here, pointing this way, yeah.
Why don't you... Did you check the red signs?
What do you mean? Yes, it's an 8.
I have a feeling we should try and use a screwdriver first. Because they look kind of rusty and I don't want to snap those off because I don't have anything to replace them.
True,
right
get
now.
a screwdriver.
Guys, you hear Brandon bitching right now?
I'm gonna bitch quit my fucking ass. I don't know what that means, but you're gonna find out. Oh, okay.
That's the one I already loosened.
Oh.
You're gonna strip him. You're gonna strip it. You're gonna strip it.
It's gonna, it already did.
Hey, Brandon. Hey, Brandon. What did you say?
Why I didn't want to do that. God damn it.
Here, let's try now. Connor, you're the worst cameraman.
You're gonna like.
You're the
that's
breaking.
gonna be all out of
Oh,
focus.
shit.
Please don't.
I didn't drop it. You know I would replace
Wait,
it.
Are they
they
that
just-
long? Are
oh,
they
are
just
they
that
just
short?
I
They're
thought
little
it broke.
shorties? They are little shorties.
Okay.
Oh, okay, good.
I thought you broke them.
Nice.
I thought I broke that one too.
It looked like it.
Oh, wait, hold on. It says it's easier if you take these off while it's still in there, so put this one back.
Oh, it's okay. I just. But we got one still.
I realized I didn't have to hold it. I could like set it down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't do that.
They're on there.
No shit, they're on there.
It's probably never been replaced, so...
Hey, why do you even take those off?
Because the new one has to plug in back.
Oh, yeah.
That's not coming out.
You know what? Before we go any further...
Shut it, Brandon. Oh my, do they look the same?
That's what I said before we go any further.
Hey, Carson, do they look the same?
The connector does not look the same.
You don't ever buy the right parts, man.
There's only been one part that I bought wrong.
Injectors.
Yeah, exactly.
And
That's
this.
it. Where's the... It is not the right connector at all.
We'll splice it, dude. We'll make it work.
Looks like it'll work on half that. Nope, not
Nope,
even.
not even.
And no, whoa, no, it's not.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
No, whoa, whoa.
It's not the right one. It
Plug
is.
that and see if this goes into
Well, what does that plug into?
That
This.
goes into the top. We're good. It's the right part.
Is that the
I
film?
think
It's
that's
got a new clip on it, so I'm gonna just rip this old clip out.
Hey,
Motherfucker.
what is that?
It came with my new fuel thing.
A flashlight?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't fucking...
Cause
yeah.
fucking...
And it's like horrible. It's not even...
It doesn't even blind me. It's freaking, dude. It's freaking around here.
No, we're sponsorship.
Yeah, guys, we're
Can't
family
just-
friendly around here, guys.
Can't diss the freaking...
Freaking.
Come down.
Dude, what if that company wants to sponsor you? You just dissed them.
You just said what they gave you is shit.
You just burned the bridge, dude. No burning bridges around here. You gotta keep all bridges open.
Can I get a flathead?
Dude, I just had like a seizure.
Are you good?
I need a flathead.
Dude, see this guy right here? This guy asks for every tool or anything and he doesn't just go fucking get it himself. Oh, I need a flathead.
Standing over there
You
by
know
the
where the
tools.
flatheads are.
He's standing over there by the tools.
Oh my god, dude.
Why don't we, like, focus on... placing the
I didn't know he moved.
No, I was talking to Carson. What is that, a crotch shot?
Look,
Carson
we're
to
done.
do that.
We're done.
Oh,
I don't think it's even staring at him.
No, it's not.
He said, "What's
It's
that?"
horrible.
Alright, I'm gonna
Carson moved
I'm
down
gonna
there.
stop it.
You break it, you buy it.
Pretty brittle.
Do the
You
twist
should
and pull
honestly
method.
replace those.
Twist and
Not
pull.
right now.
Twist and
It would be
pull.
the best to replace them like right now.
Do you have any hose?
No,
Dude, I got
he
plenty
ain't
of
got no hose.
What the hose?
He said, the hose, Vincent.
The hose. Oh my god, dude, your truck is so yucky. Look at this. Look at this. Look at
I
that.
might take this over.
Oh, that's
there
just my
and
hands.
get
Is it all on my ass?
Sure is.
Is it really?
It is. You got a hole in it too.
I know I got holes all in my pants,
I would
dude.
consider replacing these because it's a very short section of gas hose. Both of these.
Yeah, I know I would consider, but I don't
Does parts
them.
have this? Does parts have hose like this?
I don't
That's a
think
good
Bobby
question.
gets any hose, dude.
Why don't you go? Somebody go ask.
No.
AutoZone? Why did this, if this fucker didn't go to AutoZone?
Yeah,
already,
did you tell me you don't need anything?
I said until I break something.
and we're about to break.
Just
something.
grab a.
Get some fucking oil and oil up in there, dude.
Here, hold on. Look, watch this.
You can't do a twist and pull method on these.
Yes, you can.
You don't know how to pleasure a man. Is it recording?
All right, go for
Yeah,
it, Kyle.
Yeah, it's
You
at a
gotta-
good angle.
like-
It's good.
You're way too close, man. Shit's gonna be like out of focus.
No, it's not. I'm looking at the fucking video.
I'm gonna fuck you in the video. Whatever that means.
We'd probably get some views.
Or maybe.
Maybe, I don't know. You're lucky I'm 18 now. That's all I'm saying. You'd be in a lot of trouble.
Gotta remember, Bernie, you're not the only one with hoses that are brittle too.
What does that mean?
Cause my Miata has the
You
brittle
got
one
old
too.
hose?
I had old hoses too, but I took them off.
I don't really like the fresh ones.
I do too. Okay.
You guys got old hose? What do they got, like cash or something?
Yeah,
What do you
that's
stick
why
around?
you get the old ones. man.
That's why you get the old hose.
They always make me sign a fucking prenup though.
No, they don't.
No, they don't.
Frickin' prenup.
Please. We're talking about hose. You think freaking...
We're talking about hose here. But the hose.
What's wrong with the water hose, dude? What?
But the
You're
hose.
water hose. Is that like a mermaid?
What?
Water hose?
You're a funny guy, man.
You're a funny.
Dude, them hoes are so fucked. Dude, why'd you fuck them hoes?
I didn't fuck
You know
them
they got
hoes.
herpes.
All right, so if I'm not mistaken, let's do this.
I'm not mistaken.
There's still screws in there. All in there.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Okay.
there's two in there. Holding them in there.
All right.
He's gonna do this research.
You can just
Oh,
see
yeah,
the two
dude.
hose.
Do it. Rip it.
No, don't. Please don't.
I'm not gonna rip it.
Hey, what you do is you just cut it. And then you add a little shorter one.
Come on.
I mean, there is a little slack in it.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you're on the same page as me, dude.
I think you're pulling on how
whole
long?
thing.
Yeah. Hold on.
Where does the nub start ends right here, dude.
Oh, we got a while.
You are fucking destroying this hose, dude.
They're pretty long. Look.
Yeah, you can feel where they are. They're not here. They're not here. Pull like back here. The nubs are on there. You don't want. You're just like grabbing the whole nub, man.
No, because if I grab behind the nub, it's gonna rip the hose. So you want to get the nub.
Hey, at least you get the hose off.
Now that I know it's a long one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to replace those hoses.
I told you he's fucking them up.
I'm not fucking them up, man.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Dude.
Yeah, I did. Well,
Alright, well, Kyle's going to the auto parts store for me.
Make sure you
Of
get the right
course.
size.
I know, that's why we
Like
gotta
bring
get-
those hose with you, or bring this with you. And
am I
make sure
buying
they-
them on my card?
No.
No, you're just making the drive.
Yeah.
It's like right down the road.
I know he's right down the road.
I was telling Brandon, fucker. I know you just went.
So if we were just replacing them, I can just.
Now, yeah, now
Just fucking break them.
I mean, it doesn't even really have to come off though.
Oh my.
Fucking. How old is it? 93. So what?
92.
Learn from our mistakes.
Just put new hoses in.
It's not your
Just
fault,
put new
you just
hoses in there.
Just get fresh hose.
It's always good to
Make
re-up
sure
on
they're
those.
18 though.
Yeah, that's the fresh ones.
Fresh means 18.
Yeah.
According to me, fresh means like 6 months.
I know, right?
Fresh.
Fresh. Okay, this motherfucker. God damn. Where's the god? You got a razor? You got a knife?
Stop being a bitch, dude.
Just break it. Just break it. Just break it. You know how many things I broke on this truck, man?
Not this, apparently. Dude, that was not hard.
Okay. I'll give somebody $5.
hose.
I did not fuck up the hose.
It's leaking.
No, it's not even leaking.
It's leaking.
That's alright. We're gonna.
No, I'm mad because I gotta do cars and I want to.
Is there a car?
Alright, we got 50% battery.
Yeah, I got the other batteries over there.
What was that? Oh, that was okay. That was the. Sorry.
You're okay.
That was like the perfect shot.
The money lot.
Oh, you should have seen Armando yesterday.
What do you say?
He was over there doing an oil change, and I just see him come out of from underneath the car real fast. He's wrapping a pig mat, and he's like, nah, just oil all over his face. I go, damn, taking a shower, and he goes, oh shit, that cuts this guy come off. He goes, no, I got like the porno shot. I was like, nice.
Hey, Brandon, what's that in there?
Bunch of shit. Good thing there's a filter on these things.
I know, right? Show you the inside. No, you can't see shit. Edit that out of the video. Replace that too.
Well, yes, but I couldn't find anybody with one, so we're just gonna hope and pray that it's good. Why didn't I just do that?
What?
I took the fucking gasket off. That needs to be on here.
God. I got the lovely butterflies. You have fun?
Well, I don't know if this is too long. Because it's like... Let me measure this one compared to the other one.
I think you should. Don't break it.
I know. I'm trying not to, okay?
Oh, there's gas everywhere.
Yep.
No, they're the same. Oh, you're putting it all over your car. They're the same. They look the same. I think honestly it's because like this has to go up and
It's a float, so it shouldn't be pressing on anything. Something in here is that.
Does that have that? That does not. Oh wait,
It's
yeah,
just
it
not.
does, but it's just
It doesn't adjust. I don't know what that does.
I don't know what that does. So
Alright, well,
just I think you gotta press it in there.
Put it in and hope that it works.
Who's your daddy? Yeah, just press down on it and then I'll grab a bolt and start screwing. So you're telling me these aren't broken?
No, they're just tiny.
You know, I don't think these are tiny. I think these are average size.
I don't know why they put these right in front of the camera.
Amateur. I'm joking.
I mean, we are.
We are amateurs. It's their torque to spec. Are you gonna take this to the back?
After we get some hoses, I'm gonna go see if maybe
I can
parts-
call a couple. But I think they're fine. We didn't damage them that bad.
I mean,
There's a little tear, but
and they do have an inner. Fuck it.
well, let's get the thing first before we.
If I start losing gas like bad, I know why. Where's it?
Well, it was on here.
No, I dropped it. Did you only pick up one?
Ah, yeah, I like this one.
Oh, okay. Then
I
it's
gotta
on the
find it.
ground somewhere.
It's somewhere.
Any leaks?
I hear it.
It works.
I'm gonna start it up.
Says I got a quarter tank. I wonder if that's right. Oh, it's still climbing.
I might have spilled a little bit. This one.
That's it. I don't think there's no gas leaking.
So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning. As you can tell, there's like a bunch of fucking clay, dirt, bullshit that we gotta clean up. We're gonna take the bumper off and we're gonna run to the back and clean off everything that we can.
That's gonna work.
Why
No,
don't you,
I'm saying I thought you were trying to loosen it with the pliers.
Why don't you use the pliers on the outside where you have more space?
Look what I'm telling him. I told him to flip it over, and he's like, "Oh no!"
I was just trying to make your life easier, man. You do realize you're sitting on the.
Take the other side. Yeah, sit on the bumper that we're taking off.
Yeah. This is how we lose ours. I mean, this isn't going back on, so. Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to. You probably should have left that one in until you.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Hey.
I want to do this side.
So this one has 3.
Brandon, why don't they both have?
I don't know. It comes from the factory like that, with 2 on the one side and 3 on the other.
Still not.
imagine we had trouble putting this back on.
We did it, but you didn't see it.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta come.
Alright, so connect these back. Yeah, disconnect them when you install them. Stop. Stop. Oh my god.
Can I get the
Camera? I think
No,
I've crossed
the,
right in.
Alright guys, so we got everything installed. Working great. A little weird. When it's a full tank it goes above the full line, but it seems to work fine. I've run it down to less than a quarter tank and it didn't run out of gas on me, so it's pretty accurate. As you can see here, sitting on the full line. That's after about, I don't know, 40 miles worth of driving. So yeah, it's working good. Sorry I missed last week's video. Kind of funny. I was sitting at my computer Sunday night and was on YouTube going, man, when's this video coming out? And then it hit me. Well, yeah, I gotta make it. It's so stupid. But yeah, works good. Take care. See you next week. Bye.